Hey everyone, welcome back to Realtecshop, the go-to place for all things tech. Today, we have something truly exciting to unbox and explore. The Acer Aspire 5 A515-56-347N. If you're in the market for a slim, high-performance laptop, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest tech updates. Now, let's get started. Opening the box. The first thing we see is the Acer Aspire 5 itself, looking sleek in its silver finish. Alongside it, we have the power adapter, user manual, and a few other goodies. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this laptop stand out from the crowd. The Acer Aspire 5 boasts a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or working on a project, the clarity and color accuracy of this display are truly impressive. Under the hood, this laptop packs a punch with the 11th Gen Intel i3-1115 G4 dual-core processor. Experience seamless multitasking, quick app launches, and overall snappy performance. From everyday tasks to light gaming, this processor has you covered. To complement the processor, the Acer Aspire 5 comes equipped with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth, efficient multitasking. Whether you're running multiple applications or handling resource-intensive tasks, this laptop keeps up with your demands. Storage is a breeze with the 128 GB NVMe SSD. Experience faster boot times, snappier file transfers, and overall improved system responsiveness. It's not just storage. It's a performance boost you'll notice in your day-to-day use. Connectivity is key, and the Acer Aspire 5 doesn't disappoint. With Wi-Fi 6, you get faster and more reliable wireless connections. Plus, enjoy the convenience of Amazon Alexa and dive into a seamless user interface with Windows 11 Home in S mode. Now, let's put these specs to the test. We'll run some real-world scenarios to see how the Acer Aspire 5 handles everyday tasks and a bit of light gaming. Spoiler alert, it's impressive. Gamers, you'll appreciate the graphics capabilities of this laptop. While it's not a dedicated gaming machine, the Acer Aspire 5 can handle casual gaming with ease. The visuals are sharp and the gameplay is smooth, perfect for those quick gaming sessions. And there you have it, folks, the Acer Aspire 5 A515-56-347N. A slim and stylish laptop that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, this laptop is designed to cater to your needs. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Until next time, this is Realtecshop signing off. Stay tech savvy.